Today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem where Google Chrome is not opening. First, you have to make sure that your Google Chrome app is closed. Then click on the search button and type Task Manager. Once it opens, search for Google and then click on it and click on End Task. Now go back to your search button, click on it and search for Google Chrome. Right-click and then click on Open File Location. It might redirect you to the shortcut. If that happens, right-click and click on Open File Location again. And now what you have to do is to change the name of the .exe file. Then click on Continue, and this should solve the problem. But if it doesn't, you can try restarting your computer. Another possible solution is to simply uninstall Google Chrome and try to install it again. For that, click on Search and go to the Settings menu and then to the App menu. Click on Installed Apps and search for Google Chrome. Click on the three dots and click on Uninstall and then confirm the uninstallation. Now you can try to use another browser to download Google again. If the video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more content like this. See you on the next one.